En Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga igeno mar goyo tach e sub-county ma Awendo kochopo tich Ang'wen. Jumani sidho moko kuom chenro mag piny owacho kaachiel kod bende dhi lando wach mar Azimio la Umoja. Raila biro dhi nono chiro madede, romo kod jopur mago ma kambi mar Sony Sugar, kendo bang'e to biro dhi sidho gedo kar tiegruok mano mar weche mag thieth Awendo KMTC. Wachno yangi to kod jaod bura ma Awendo Walter Owino omedo ni Raila biro dhi twak kod jopiny bang'e no mana e chuny chiro kata e chuny boma nogono ma Awendo.
Our chief guest will be the Prime Minister, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and we are also expecting to host the CS, the CAS Ministry of Health, that is Dr. Mercy Mwangangi, who will be coming, and plus of course the KMTC officials. We will officially be handing over this building to KMTC. This facility has been fully funded by the Awendo NG-CDF, so it is a CDF project. We started it on the we did the groundbreaking in April 2019. One of the handshake projects in this part of the world, because the idea of having the KMTC Awendo was conceived in New York when I was given an opportunity by the Prime Minister to accompany His Excellency the President to New York for the United Nations General Assembly conference. When we were in New York, I had an opportunity to interact with His Excellency the President, and I requested him that we wanted to have a college, so he should help me have one. Fortunately, the Cabinet Secretary then, Health, that was Cecily Kariuki, was with us in the trip, and she was instructed to ensure that we are assisted through to get the KMTC.